Rook c2 is good. We give a check and we chop the bishop. And guys, decider we are winning. We won the decider. End of story. 3-2 we won. I am पड़ गया पोलैंड के आई पे भारी. भाई 1 bullet with timeouts. Why not समय भाई? Why not? Sorry I missed it. Guys, समय भाई को मैं चैलेंज भेजता हूँ. समय भाई chat में I cannot believe it. Sorry समय भाई, I missed that. Guys, let's send challenge to समय भाई. But समय भाई is not in live chess. Okay, I'll try to create a challenge and send to समय भाई. एंड राकेश भाई ओपी गाइस, हमारा गेम अपने आप चलक गया. ओके, टाइम आउट्स गाइस, मुझे 30 सेकंड्स खेलना है. भाई टाइम पहले ही कम हो गया, मेरे 5 सेकंड और खा गए. ये क्या है? ओ भाई, आई फेल्ड फॉर समय भाई ट्रैप. ओ भाई, ये क्या है? ये गलत है, ये गलत है भाई. मेरा टाइम भी अपने आप पहले ही कम हो गया. मैं तो वेट करने वाला था, बट समय भाई वेट नहीं करना चाहते. ओके, A3. ओके, समय भाई जीतने वाला है. समय भाई फॉर द विन. 15 सेकंड्स. मेरा टाइम ज़्यादा फास्ट नहीं जा रहा है आज. दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक इम्पॉसिबल. समय भाई के मुझे प्रीमूव समझ में आने चालू हो गए. सो भाई रुक एंड गेम खेलो, क्योंकि वही दोस्तों समय भाई सिर्फ गलती कर सकते हैं. ओनली इन रुक एंड गेम. ओनली चांसेस रुक एंड गेम गाइस. बाकी तो समय भाई ठीक ठाक खेल लेते हैं. ओह नो 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 नो, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी क्रेजी. I don't have time guys. It's going to be very, very dangerous. Oh my god, Samay bhai is winning actually. This is crazy. This is crazy guys. Oh bhai, mini clip incoming guys, mini clip incoming. J&K incoming. Bhai, Samay bhai is winning this. And guys, Samay bhai won the match. Well done Samay bhai, well done. क्या बात है. Samay bhai wants rematch. Well done. Okay, so now I have 30 seconds clearly. So now it's a fair match. But well done Samay bhai, क्या ही खेले आप. Bishop e6 takes. Bishop b4. Okay, I blundered. Queen f5 was winning on the spot. Okay, I'm winning a piece here. But guys, I have to be alert for J&K, because Samay bhai has improved a lot. bg4. Bishop here. Just take. King e7, rook d7, rook d8, rook c8, and one more maybe. Oh, ये क्या? Knight d3. Just play g5 and f4. Push. And I don't know how, but it's winning. And f2 and queen. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, why not rematch? Yes. So guys, 1-1. Okay, bye. d4 and f3. Samay bhai playing Ragozin, classical opening guys. Samay bhai is ready for the candidates guys. Bishop here, e3, knight e5. But I'm really impressed with Samay bhai ka speed. Really impressed guys, really impressed. He's playing with crazy speed. Simply crazy. Rook here. Let's do some desi attack. Desi attack bhai, desi attack. Okay. Best guys, 10 seconds में victory आ गया. Okay. Let's keep going. Now let's play guys Caro-Kann. Let's see how Samay bhai reacts to Caro-Kann. F3 bhai. Oh bhai. F3 is winning opening, guys. F3 Samay Bhai is winning a pawn here. Okay, this is simply OP, guys. This is simply OP. OP stuff. Samay Bhai OP in the chat, guys. I go here. I go here. Okay, guys, we are getting a piece. Not yet. Oh shit. Oh shit. Samay Bhai trapped my queen. But he didn't find it. My queen was trapped. Lucky, guys, lucky. But दोस्तों मेरा एक ही है दोस्तों, मुझे फास्ट खेलना है, that's all. Because now you cannot flag Samay Bhai with timeouts. I have to play fast. Now Samay Bhai trying for this attack. आ जाओ Samay Bhai, आ जाओ. F4. Bishop into F4, yes. Take. King goes here. Oh bhai, I'm losing this one. Can I do J&K in this? I have to do J&K, guys. I have to do J&K if I want to win. That's the only hope. That's the only hope. That's the only hope. That's the only hope. F5. Bishop D5 check. NH2 check. I gave my all material just to do J&K. Samay Bhai, this win is dedicated to you. Okay.
मारो मुझे मारो.
Let's keep going, guys. D4 and F3. Let's play Catalan. Vidit Bhai always plays this. It's a safe choice. And let's sacrifice a pawn even. NC3 takes. Bishop G5. NC6 take. Bishop. Okay, queen. Bhai, what is this? Samay Gambit. Bishop F6. No Bishop F6, guys. No Primus. You cannot primo against Samay, guys. He's very smart. Rook E1 and Bishop Bachalo. Okay. Okay. Good night, Samay Bhai. GG. And only legends watch this live, guys. Only legends watch this live. You know, मैं प्लान कर रहा था कि मैं कुछ स्ट्रीम प्राइवेट करूँगा, बस टेस्ट की स्ट्रीम कर रहा हूँ, so बिल्कुल मज़ा आया. And so first game में Samay Bhai ने हरा, that was OP game, just OP game. So now Samay Bhai has defeated Sagar Bhai, Vidit Bhai and me as well in bullet. So that's an achievement. So well done, Samay Bhai. First game was just crazy. Just crazy. Well done. GG. दोस्तों इसलिए घंटी बजाना जरूरी है, so that get notification. We never know Samay Bhai कब आएंगे. 4:15, guys. 4:15. Okay, 5 more minutes I'll play, and then I'll go for Sahar. Okay, guys, we got the one. जिसको हम पक्का हराएंगे. The one from Poland. And guys, this is last game, so Desi attack. Okay, Desi, complete Desi. D5 खेलो आप, बिशप मारो, NE5 मारो, बिशप इंटू E2 पे NF7 मारो, ब्रिलियंसी करो. वो पक्का बिशप इंटू D1 ही मारेगा, क्योंकि उसका अभी जज्बात हालात सब कुछ टूट चुके हैं इस शॉट के बाद.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
King is feeling very bad, sad. We will just save the pawn. We will get the rook here, and we will punish him completely with F4 E5. Rook F3. What this rook is doing here? Nothing. So he will go to D3. Before we do some craziness, I go here. I go Queen C4. We exchange queens. We end this game with a good note. Guys, double checkmate and OP checkmate. GG. Tata, bye bye. And the good news is अपना green screen is working and internet भी ठीक ठाक है. So अभी दोस्तों अच्छे stream होंगे. Tata, bye bye. Good night. Take care. See you very soon. लाइक कर दो और इस फिल्म को वायरल करो, बिकॉज इसमें ओपी कंटेंट है, शॉर्ट बट वेरी स्वीट एंड नाइस। सी यू गाइस, गुड नाइट।